this thing called the pump, as it always does. As we dropped into the breakout zone, this is where we began to see a little bit of volatility before a massive pump to the upside. You can see it happen right here, pump to the upside, right here, pump to the upside. Today is December 4th, and this has been a historic weekend for Bitcoin, as we've officially broken the $40,000 level, creating a brand new high for 2023 so far. Now, this does invalidate previous predictions, and in this video, I'm going to go over some technical analysis with you based on our new data and show you where I think Bitcoin is going next. Stay tuned because we have a few announcements as well. Let's dive into it. How's it going, everyone? Thanks so much for joining me in today's Bitcoin video. My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. And if you are new here, be sure to head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Sign up for our membership at the first link. We are now 103 wins with 0 losses. You can access our daily crypto metrics and our $1 million profit account challenge with members-only content posted today. All at that first link with our membership. You can get 60% off our indicators at the second link. And you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Let's jump into the announcements. We have quite a few of them here, so stay tuned. Check out Future Forecast Update right now. Travis just bought. There's a brand new Future Forecast video at this link with some updates on previous trades we just made on some cryptocurrencies and stocks that you need to know right now. Next, we have multiple trade wins. We won the Link trade for 7%, Matic trade for 8%, Sheep trade for 4%, and Atom trade for 7%. Absolutely insane. This is a 9-month trading record of 103 wins, 0 losses, and you can view all wins at this link. Congratulations to anyone that took those with us, and as a heads up, there's a brand new full-on Future Forecast video. Bitcoin to $48,000 now. Here's the charts as evidence, plus full Bitcoin mining trade update as well. Scrolling down here, it's going to be the Morning Brew overview. You don't want to miss out on that. And a huge thank you to everyone who joined us last week. This is New Member Monday, and we appreciate every single one of you. Now, once again, you can access all of these crazy benefits and more. Join us for our next trades and our members-only content with a membership. And with that, let's scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics, jumping into the analysis. The very first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. We've officially pushed into greedy, and typically when this happens, this is where we're seeing moves to the downside. Anywhere within greedy or excited will typically read bearish, but as we transition to the bull market, bearish signals must be invalidated. Bearish signals must post in order for short squeezes to happen, and this is exactly what happened back here. Next up, I want to take you down to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector, this thing called the pump, as it always does. As we dropped into the breakout zone, this is where we began to see a little bit of volatility before a massive pump to the upside. You can see it happen right here, pump to the upside, right here, pump to the upside. And as we transition into the bull market, most of these breakouts should result in upside moves as well. So stay tuned for that. Next up, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And we see massive short trade sentiment in the market after this pump. Now, recently, this has resulted in pretty significant moves down, but is often very quickly recovered back to the upside. With that, as we approach new structure resistances, I do expect moves down before their next moves back up. And as long as we see higher highs and higher lows, I expect this trend to continue. Now, this shows you what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second with the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. We've officially broken this downtrend with a new higher high on the whale money flow chart. And I think this is a huge reason we saw a major breakout to the upside. This officially invalidates my mainly bearish predictions. And while we could still see moves back down if whale money begins crashing out of the market, I think at this point, whales have been buying in enough that they do not plan on selling anytime soon. So we should see whale money continue moving into the market. And as long as that happens, the price should increase too. Keep a lookout for that. And as we drop down here, the Bitcoin major support and resistance chart, we do have major structure support at this point at $37,999. No current resistances. We'll have to check out the live charts for that, so stay tuned. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. As we move up, I would not be shocked to see a sell signal, especially after this candle saw a massive wick up with the price dropping back down towards the middle. You can see it happen back here within a few days after a massive pump. We saw strong sell and sell signals. But once again, in order for the bull market to continue, we need to see sell signals invalidated in order to cause short squeezes. We'll keep everyone updated on that because there are instances where a sell signal may be more valid, but in order to keep updated, you need to pay attention to every single one of these metrics, especially the volatility breakout detector. It helped call this most recent pump. Now, if you're a Bitcoin trader, you can track this data, Bitcoin metrics, and you can get access to metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members get access to the future forecast video. This is where Travis is going to go into a really in-depth guide showing why he thinks we're about to reach $48,000, as well as updates on his most recent trades. He just made 12 grand from just 3 assets. You need to see these videos and stay updated on those trades. And speaking of trades, as of today, if we go into trade setups, we are currently 103 wins, 0 losses with 3 active trades at this point. You do not want to miss the next trades. You do not want to miss this future forecast. If you want to access these and get massive discounts on our indicators, you're going to want to sign up for our membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is going to be the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Full access is what you're looking for. Sign up soon because this is a limited time special. Price increases up to $95 a month is coming soon. The membership is going to give you access to everything I just showed you and more. Just go and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. As I said in the intro, this move above $40,000 officially invalidates my bearish predictions, and now this is a major structure support that's going to be very difficult to break. Well money has broken this downtrend, and it does appear that they're continuing to move money into the market. As soon as we see price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, this could be a very bearish reading. Trades in favor is decently high right now with a 79% chance of a drop, but I don't think it's quite enough to push the price down. And if we get a sell signal, all 3 of these could combine to see a short-term move to the downside. At this point, as much as $40,000, but I don't think we're quite there yet, and there's more data that we need to pay attention to. I'm actually going to take you to the 1-week time frame and use what's called a Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to remove the TC top and bottom finder to make it a little bit more clear. I'm going to find the bottom back here. You can see it levels off right here, and we're going to move all the way to the top, and you're going to see some interesting data. We are actively testing the 50% retracement for Bitcoin as we speak, and this moves all the way up to the $48,000 level, as you can see right here. Anywhere in this range is very likely to result in a rejection. We have major structure resistance at this point too that supports this theory that 48,000 is the next high for 2023. At the same time, we see price versus well money flow extremely high and trades in favor just about maxed out at 99% chance of a drop as we retest this resistance. So this could be the point. Anywhere in this range, $41,600 to $48,000 is, I know this is a large range, but anywhere in here is where we're going to be looking for the next move back down in Bitcoin. But once again, I do expect this to be very short-lived. We're going to head back to the 1-day time frame. But as I said, I do expect this to be short-lived just to form a higher low before the next higher high. At this point, I think it's hard to doubt we are in an uptrend. And with this, my views will be pointing more bullish. Now, as this plays out, you need to be paying attention to these indicators. It looks like at this point, they've pretty much adjusted to the market transition towards the bull market, as despite significant moves up, whale money is not moving up quite as much. Now, I do want to point out that this crazy move up today is a result of major short squeezes. A lot of people expected the price to move down at $40,000, including me, but anyone putting in short trades were liquidated, which caused the price of Bitcoin to pump like crazy. There's a lot of retail money in the market, and if whales continue buying in, this will be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. But at this point, anywhere between where we're sitting now and $48,000, let me actually scroll up like this. Anywhere in this range does seem to be like a major structure resistance, especially with significant bearish readings from our indicators. So in this range, I do expect a drop back down to around $40,000 or as low as $38,480 before our next move back to the upside. Overall, I do think we've transitioned into the bull market, and in order to maximize your profit as we move into the bull market, you need to be paying very close attention to these indicators. They're helping us call the tops and bottoms of crypto, providing crazy risk management from the TC top and bottom finder, tracking the exact movement of whale money in this market. If you can't beat them, trade with them. And this right here, the trades in favor, is going to help you track market momentum. And if you get signals between all three of them that line up, that almost guarantees the next move in Bitcoin. If you want to snag these for up to $550 off right now, I've got you. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Indicators are going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Pro Indicator page. Best possible deal is with the Pro Indicator pack. Check this out, guys. This person earned 16% with us. This person's up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week. Absolutely insane. All with these indicators. Now, what you're going to want to do is snag a membership first because it's significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Click access coupon code, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the next future forecast videos and the brand new trade setups. Don't miss out.